Welcome back to Niiza Studio, where we explore the most creative and groundbreaking designs in architecture. Today we're diving into a transformation that's both innovative and functional, turning ordinary shipping containers into chic, modern office spaces. Today I'll walk you through one such transformation, the Genki Kids Niiza Ikedaen office located in the heart of Niiza City, Saitama Prefecture, Japan. This two-story container office isn't just an architectural beauty. It represents innovative thinking, sustainable construction, and the essence of Japanese minimalistic design. First floor offers a multifunctional space suitable for meetings, with an additional free area for flexible use. Second floor primarily serves as the working zone for the staff. Notably, on the street-facing side, you'll spot the Genki Kids Ikedaen logo sign gracefully adorning the container side. This isn't a conventional setup, folks. Two 20-foot containers intersect in AT formation. And right atop, you've got three special-sized containers. What's fascinating is how two of these special containers audaciously jut out from the base container, creating a bold design statement. Aesthetically, the exterior channels a serene aura, blending light blue and white hues. This refreshing palette extends indoors as well, boasting a crisp, clean ambiance that mirrors the understated elegance Japanese interior designs are famed for. Total construction cost, 27 million yen, which is approximately $181,000, excluding tax. Note that this can vary based on location specifics, transportation charges, and other logistical nuances. Additional provisions, external aspects like stairs, the straight type, eaves, and a deck terrace come as part of the package. For the nitty-gritty administrative and foundational bits, exterior and foundation construction, confirmation applications and primary infrastructure construction are billed separately. Isn't it fascinating how mundane shipping containers can transform into stunning architectural marvels? Beyond aesthetics, container constructions epitomize sustainability. They're upcycled, durable, and flexible, offering endless customization options. So, what do you think? Would you consider a container space for your next venture? The future looks promising for such innovative solutions. Let me know what you think in the comments. Remember, change is the only constant, and in architecture, embracing such innovative approaches might just be the way forward. And that wraps up our look at how shipping containers are being transformed into chic, functional office spaces. These innovative designs not only offer sustainability, but also bring a unique modern edge to the workplace. If today's tour inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Niiza Studio for more exciting transformations and creative ideas. We'll continue to bring you the best in sustainable architecture and design, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep dreaming big and building smart right here on Niiza Studio.